Hi guys, today I want to share with you the 6th financial lesson that I learned from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book doesn't talk about those who were born rich or poor. It's all about the way they think when it comes to money and how they manage it. It tells us the difference between the rich and the poor is not the amount of wealth they own. It's the mindset, habit, and philosophy. Here are the 6 major lessons discussed throughout the book. Let's go. Lesson number 1. The rich don't work for money. The rich dad say, money works for me, not the other way around. He wants you to work, to let you learn how the money works and how to have it work for you. But if you want to master how, first you have to alleviate your fear. According to the rich dad, fear is the primary emotion when the subject of money is discussed. It keeps most people to stay in their job because they fear of not being able to pay the bills or not having enough money. And the second thing is greed. If you offer more money, they also increase spending. If you don't want to become slave to your money, you have to think about it logically, not through emotions. Lesson number 2. Why teach financial literacy? The rich dad believes money without financial intelligence is the money soon gone. This is why he stressed the importance of financial education. Schools only teach people how to work for money. They are designed to produce good employees instead of employers. What's lacking in formal education is the so-called financial aptitude. What you do with the money once you make it, how to keep people from taking it from you, how long have you keep it, and how hard that money works for you. If you want to become financially independent, you have to know and understand your numbers. Lesson number 3. Mind your own business. Your profession and your business are different from each other. You should not rely on your job to become financially secure. Instead, focus on your own business and develop your assets. As Kiyosaki puts it, financial struggle is often directly the result of people working on their life for someone else. Many people will have nothing at the end of their working days. Acquire assets and use them to purchase income-generating real assets. The rich dad further note that real assets are anything with value. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, income-producing real estate, notes, royalty from intellectual property. Lesson number 4. The history of tax and the power of corporations. The idea of tax started when people may believe that it was intended to punish the rich. In reality, the poor and the middle class, the very people who accepted and voted for it, were the ones that advantaged. The rich dad say, once the government got a taste of money, the appetite grew. In the government, the larger his organization, the more he is respected. On the other hand, within my organization, the fewer people I hire, the less money I spend, the more I am respected by my investors. The point is, the rich people are aware of how much they are being manipulated by the system, but they don't let it hinder them. Having a good knowledge in 4 areas of expertise: accounting, investing, understanding markets, and laws. Make them understand how to protect and enhance their assets. Lesson number 5. The rich invent money. The one thing that holds all of us back is self-doubt. While most people wait around for luck and opportunities, the rich are creating opportunities out of obstacles. In the real world, it's not the smart that get ahead, but the bold. If you don't think big and take risk, you will spend your entire life waiting for something that's not about to happen. Kiyosaki mentions the importance of financial education again. The rich doesn't think that he can make more money just by working harder. He also strives to become financially literate, to explore more options and have more power. Lesson number 6. Work to learn, don't work for money. Kiyosaki thinks that there are people who are one skill away from great wealth. Aside from things we learn in school, We also need to learn the skills needed to achieve financial success. The rich people seek work for what they will learn more than what they will earn. Some of the significant areas to focus on are management and communication. Kiyosaki also stressed the importance of sales and marketing skills. These are specific knowledge that people should acquire to help them reach the road toward financial freedom. Rich people perceive money differently. They know that it is not enough to make money. You also have to grow it and learn how to manage it. It's one thing to become financially independent, and another to become financially literate. Having knowledge when it comes to money matters. It is essential not just for investors, but for everyone. The financial decisions you face on a daily basis will have major impact on the future. So you should know how to be responsible for these.